Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the format of the audio recordings created on the Recorder Pro app. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Then scroll down till you find the Files section and click on Format. Here you can find a bunch of formatting options that you can choose from, such as MP3, M4A, MP4, AIFC, AIFF, and so on. So just simply tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose, and then the format will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.